So during the weekend, my wife decided it was a good time for me to install her curtain rod and curtain. So she did purchase the curtain rod, and it came with the hangers. So I took the first hanger with the 2 screws and I put them right in the jet rock. And since there's no beam in the back, I came back with a drill and drill 2 holes for the anchors. So each of those plastic anchors are good for about 35 pounds of hold down force. So once happy with that hanger, I went on the opposite side and made sure it was level or followed the contour of the door jamb. Then I marked it and did the same thing. Punctured 2 screw holes that would line up where I needed to have my hanger. Then I came back with the drill bit for the size of the sleeve and just pre-drilled them and knocked them in with a hammer. Once the 2 sleeves in, it was just a matter of screwing the 2 screws with the bracket in place. The kit comes with the 3rd hanger that goes right in the middle, and since I got small children that might pull on the curtain rod or the curtain, I definitely needed to install it. We wanted the curtain to be really low to the ground, so about 2 inch from the ground. So to install the 2nd or the 3rd bracket, I had to bend it a little bit because the outside bracket were lower. So that was not a problem, there was still space. And I did the same thing, I just pre-drill the holes, install the 2 sleeve, and screw in the 3rd bracket. Once the curtain rod in place, there's 2 little adjustment screw that is underneath. That is to capture the pole so it doesn't slip or come down on you when you're trying to move the curtains. All I gotta say, happy wife, happy life.